my name is Nia and today we're going to be making roasted root vegetables. Let's go! This recipe calls for 3 pounds of root vegetables like beets, potatoes, and parsnips, a small red onion or shallot, olive oil, black pepper, salt, and rosemary. After you've prepped your shallots and root vegetables, lay them out on a cookie sheet, preferably one that's rimmed, and drizzle on olive oil, black pepper, and salt. Once you've gotten all of that on, gently toss your vegetables to make sure that they're evenly coated with the oil and seasonings. Place in the middle of the oven at 425 degrees and bake for about 30 minutes. Remove from the oven and sprinkle with rosemary. Toss, then return to the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove vegetables once they're soft and to your liking. I wanted these veggies as a side dish, so I prepared some veggie Italian sausage along with a kale and beet leaf salad. Enjoy!